Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick review. This is the Hyperkin. When I got out of the box, it worked out of the box. Like it worked perfectly on the PlayStation 1, on the PlayStation 2, like it worked. I played about an hour, 2 hours, and yeah, I went to sleep. On the second day, I wanted to play again, and this just stopped working. Why? I don't know why. I disconnected it. I disconnected it from the power source, from the HDMI that was connected to the TV. Nothing worked. I connected it to the first PlayStation 1. It wouldn't work. I did it on the PlayStation 2. It didn't work. Why? I have no clue. It just stopped. As you can see, it looks brand new. No wear and tear. So I have no clue why it just stopped. Like it just stopped cold turkey. I connected the original cable from Radio Shack, and it works. It works here. It works there. So there's nothing wrong with the PlayStation. It's just this decided to not work. Now the sad part is that the graphics on this, when it does work, it is incredible. This actually works for graphics, like amazing. Like this, the graphics on this is way better than the original Radio Shack or whatever, the original PlayStation 1. So when this works, it's amazing. But like I told you, I only used this about an hour, 2 hours, and then it just doesn't work anymore. So I'm getting a refund. I'm just making this video so that you know that if you do decide to buy this, this may stop working unexpectedly, like what happened to me. So save your money. I do not recommend this product, so stay away. All right, ciao.
Outra decepção, segundo cabo da Hyperkin, e o segundo veio pior do que o primeiro. O primeiro funcionou uma semana, com uma semana começou a dar chiado na tela. Esse aqui já no primeiro dia, assim que eu liguei, já deu problema. E não é instalação errada, tudo, porque eu tenho até estabilizador aqui, ó. Tem o estabilizador, tem o anti-surto, tudo. Então assim, toda instalação elétrica tá tudo ok, já para evitar esse tipo de coisa. E eu acabei de testar com um cabo de outra marca, que é o da Bitfunks, e tá funcionando perfeito. Não tá dando esse chiado aí. E para completar, ainda eu testei em outro PlayStation 2 ainda que eu tenho um Slim também. Todos eles estão funcionando, tem um FAT ali embaixo. E tem um Slim, e nos dois o cabo aparentou problema. Então vai ser o jeito eu pedir o dia de volta.
It's got a signal right now. See the PS2. Hyperkin. And if we wait just a little bit, it'll go away. Oh, there it goes. No signal.